and today I'm going to be reviewing some Glassons wear. Super excited for Glassons. I've done a try-on sequence with this, so I'll go ahead and add those on with the clothes as I'm showing you. I'm like checking to see if it's focused because it's been going out of focus for a while. So first I ordered these jeans. They're pretty cute. They have, I like with Glassons, they put the black label right here and they don't put any like words or anything. These are size 6. I won't focus. Hello. There we go, autofocus. These are size 6 and they come ripped like this, and I cuffed them at the bottom. They're the perfect length for my height. I'm 5'7", and they fit my waist perfectly. I believe that is a 23. I'm not too sure. Then I ordered this white waffle tee. It's just plain on the back. The only thing is it is a little bit see-through, but if you wear a bralette underneath or a nude bra, like it shouldn't show through. And it's just a long sleeve waffle tee. I also got it in gray, which is the one I'm wearing right now. Super comfortable. They crop just exactly where your high-waisted pants or shorts would crop. So mine crops right here, right above the belly button, which is perfect. I also picked up this crop top. This is a kind of like faux leather tank top. These are all pretty affordable. Glassons is pretty affordable in general. They have US sizing as well as Australian / New Zealand sizing. So they'll start at the size 6 for New Zealand and Australia, and then for the US obviously they'll start at a size 2. They don't go below 2, so if you're a size 0, which I go between 0 and 2, they will I lost my train of thought. Anyways, this is the next thing I picked up. It's a red skirt. It's got a ruffle design on the front, and then it's pleated at the bottom. This is super cute. It's form-fitting, super lightweight. The waist cinches so it can expand or cinch, and I got this in an extra small. The next thing I picked up is, this is going to be hard to show. Let me see if I can get it here. This top is super cute. Looks like this on the hanger. So as you can see, it is backless. It's got a backless sort of detail on the front. It's got a panel that's not see-through. I would wear this obviously with a sticky bra or I wouldn't say even a strapless bra. You definitely have to wear stickies because the back looks like this. So you tie it so it's completely backless, except for this sheer paneling right here, and then the sleeves are this beautiful like sheared kind of Renaissance-esque romantic sleeves, but I got that in black. Obviously my whole wardrobe is black, white, and gray. You keep it very neutral. Throw a tan in there sometimes. The next thing I picked up are staples. So I got this in a black and a white, but I dropped the white one somewhere, so we'll look for that later. But this is essentially what it looks like. It's just a basic ribbed tee. Go focus. Then it has a V in the front, and then a little band at the bottom that grips. This is a pretty thick band too, so it'll really cinch in. The last thing I did pick up is a pair of jeans again. These I got in a size 6 NZD Australian sizing, which is supposed to be equivalent to a 2 in the US, but I found that they are a little bit big on the band for me. They're a little slack, but I'll just get them altered or take them in myself. I did cuff the bottoms on these as well. They're also a little bit longer. What I like about these jeans in particular, as well as the ripped jeans, is that the crotch right here goes super low when you unzip it, so they're really easy to get on and off because they're super high-waisted. Yeah, so I'm just gonna film my outro right now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll go ahead and leave all of the links to the products in the down bar below, and then also go ahead and leave any social media links that I have, and you can follow me on those for more updates. I thought somebody was coming in. I got social anxiety. What else? The next videos I want to go ahead and launch are going to be travel themed videos. I have a whole list of things that I want to share with you, tips on packing, traveling, booking flights, need to knows, things like that. So we'll go ahead and make those videos next. Thanks for watching, guys.